What's up guys, it's me Geek. So this is the clip mount for the GoPro for the Osmo Pocket. I'm gonna use the Osmo Pocket. Okay, let me just take out. Okay, here we go. And let me just take out some of the mount. Okay, here we go. So this is the Osmo action. So I want to mount it like this, right? No, if I want to mount it like this, the camera will be like this. So the camera have to be like this. Okay, let me see. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, is that inside? It's a little bit tight out here, but still I'll make sure it fit correctly. Yeah, I mean it seems quite good. I mean, let me show you my backpack. In my backpack, can you see? So it fit like this. I hope you already get the idea. I think that's enough. I can easily recommend it. Subscribe and bye.